Welcome to Techi. In this video we will see how we can remotely restart or shut down the domain join client in our Windows Server 2025. Let's go to the server and get started. Right now we are on our server. If we go and see the Active Directory users and computers, inside this OU domain computers, I have a PC01. We want to remotely manage the shutdown and restart for all the computer inside this OU. So first of all, we have to configure the firewall for this. I will do that from group policy. Let's open the server manager and open the group policy management. Here we can see the techijack.local, that is our domain, and this is the domain computers. If I expand it, I already have this firewall policy. You can create a new one as well, or I will do it in an existing one. So we can do edit. In the computer configuration, expand the policies, Windows setting, security settings. Here we have Windows Defender, firewall, and I will click on inbound rules and I will say new inbound rules, and here we will select the predefined and I will scroll it down. We have to select this one, Windows Management Instrumentation WMI. So I will select this, click on next again, allow the connection and finish it. So now the firewall policy has been created. Let me close this and update the policy. I will run the command gp update/force to update the policy. Policy update has been completed successfully. Same we will do it on our client machine as well. This is our client machine and I will run the gp update/force here as well. It is updated, and if we see this firewall.cpl in the advanced settings, inbound rules, you can see this WMI is enabled. So now we can remotely shut down our computer from the domain controller. So let me close this. Let's go back to our DC. Now if I run this command, let restart computer name is PC01 and force. So this is the PC running here, and if I hit enter here, you can see the computer is restarting now. And if we want to do a complete shutdown of a computer, we can run this command, let stop computer name PC01 force. If I hit enter, you can see at the background computer is shutting down. So now the computer state is off. So this way you can remotely restart the computer and shut down as well. I hope the video was useful. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.